Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So students, today we are going to do chapter 12, that is Mahadani Karn. So let's look into the mind map of this chapter. Mahadani Karn, a great giver. Kurukshetra, battlefield of Mahabharat. Karn, son of Suryadev. Suryadev, father of Karn. Indradev, god of clouds and rain. Varundev, god of ocean. Kavach or kundal, armor and earring. Sone ka daat, golden tooth. So before starting this chapter, let me ask you one thing. Students, if someone asks you to give your dear thing, if someone is asking you to give the thing which is very dear to you, what will you do? Will you give it or will you deny to give? Yes, actually that's only depend on the thing what they are asking to give. So yes, if they are asking a thing that you can very easily you can give, then you will give. But if they are asking a very important thing or a thing which is very dear to you, you can't even live without that thing, then you cannot. But here in this chapter you will study about a person who is a great giver, and he is always known as a very generous person and as a great giver. So in this chapter you will come to know about that person whose name was Mahadani Karn. So this chapter is actually based on a mythological story, that is Mahabharata. So in this chapter there is a baby Karn who was born with his armors and earrings, and he was very generous. He was very great giver, he was very generous, and he was a son of Suryadev, a son of sun here. So Indradev, who was the god of clouds and rains, he has some jealousy of Karn, because everyone used to say that Mahadani Karn is such a great giver, he is very generous. So Indradev was fed up of listening all these things about Karn, about son of Suryadev. So he made a plan to denounce the name of Karn. So once at the first time what he did, he came as a disguised form, as a beggar he came to Karn, and he asked to give his armors and earrings, because Indradev was knowing it very well that if Karn is having his armors and earrings, then he would never die in the battlefield. So that time what Karn did, Karn gave those things to Indradev. He did not deny. Then next time also the jealousy of Indradev did not subside. So what he did, he again made a plan to get something else from Karn. This time he called his friend Varundev, because he was knowing this, that Varundev has very bad terms with Suryadev. He also have jealousy from Suryadev. So again he had made a plan to denounce the name of Mahadani Karn. This time what he did, he called his friend and he explained his friend that as Karn is already dying in the battlefield of Mahabharat, that is Kurukshetra, so this time we will go to Karn and we will ask something to give, as this time he is already dying there. So what he can give us? So it will be proved as wrong that he is a great giver. We can prove in the world that Mahadani Karn is not a great giver. So he made a plan like this, and he told his friend, but we will not go there in the same form. We will go as a disguise, as a beggar, as a disguise form, as a beggar. So they both went there in the battlefield, and there what was the scene? Mahadani Karn was lying down near his chariot and he was unconscious. He was little unconscious there. He was lying over there. Then they both went near to Karn, Mahadani Karn, and they asked Mahadani Karn, please give us something, as it is a war time, so we could not get even a single grain or food to eat. Please, can you please give us something? We are in need. Then Mahadani Karn said them, sorry for this, I am already helpless, I am helpless this time, I can't do anything, I can't give you anything, as you are seeing my condition, I am at my deathbed, what can I do for you? Then they again told, they both told, so now will it be proved wrong that you are such a great giver and generous person? Then again what Karn started thinking, he started thinking something, and what he did, he asked them to give the stones so that he can take out his golden tooth, but they both denied that, they both said that no, we can't touch these stones as they are already stained with the blood. So how can we touch the unholy thing? We can't touch any unholy thing, so we can't give you these stones. They denied to give that stones. Then Mahadani Karn have an idea. Then what he did, he hit his head to the wheel of the chariot, and his golden tooth falls out in his hand. And again he offered that tooth to Varundev and Indradev. Then again they denied to take that, because again they were telling the same reason, as this your golden tooth is already stained with a lot of blood, so how can we touch it? It is also a unholy thing. Then Mahadani Karn, what he did, he again have some idea. So he hit an arrow somewhere, and from that place lots of water gushed out, and from that water he washed his tooth, and again he offered that tooth to them. And then again they denied. What happened now? You all must be thinking, what happened now? Again they denied, because it was the time of evening. Sun was under the clouds. It was about to hide. So again they denied, because that they said that it is an evening time, this time we can't take anything, so we can't take this. Then as sun is the father of Karn, Mahadani Karn, Suryadev is the father of Mahadani Karn. So Mahadani Karn started praying to his father that, please father, help me, please come out from the clouds so that I can help them. Then as Suryadev was his father, so he helped him, he came out from the clouds, and it was light everywhere, so there was no more evening. So then he offered again, and then they took that, and then they said, both Indradev and Suryadev said that now it is proved, Mahadani Karn, you are such a great giver, you are really blessed with this thing, that you are such a great giver, you are a generous person, no one can prove it wrong. So now what they said that until the creature will remain, you will be blessed as a Mahadani Karn. They blessed him that until the creature will remain, you will be known as Mahadani Karn. So students, I hope you all have understood this chapter very well. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.